Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. This is part 2 of the song, Lord, I lift your name on high. And now we're going to try to tackle the chorus. It says, you came from heaven to earth. So let's start with that. Again, this is my right hand, my left hand. So let's go. And we're mouthing the words. So we're going to do you, which is God or Jesus. So you came. So we're going to just beckon like he came. We're gonna do from, I'm gonna make sure I show you how to do it. So this, the left hand index finger is turned outwards. And then we're using the X finger from the right hand. So the letter X, remember that? Letter X. So the X finger is going to touch the back of the index finger like that. And then you're gonna pull this way. So from. So here we go. You came from. All right. And for heaven, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, bam. 1, 2, 3. This is our heaven. So you came from heaven, and then we're gonna go 2. So 2, this finger just touches this finger. So 2, and then we're gonna earth. Earth is just touch your bone here and your bone here, your wrist, and rock it like that. That's earth. Heaven to earth, 2, and show. So you have something in your hand you want to show somebody. So we're gonna show, and we're gonna do way. So way, I'm gonna stand up to show you way. So we're gonna bring way from our way. So we're gonna go way. And then we're gonna from the earth to, and we're gonna use our C hand. Remember this? C hand. And we're gonna do straight line, straight line. So we're making a T down this way, down this way. From the earth to the cross, my, okay? And then we're gonna go det. We're gonna use the X finger again. We're gonna slide it down the middle of our palm. So det. All right, my det. And then we're gonna do pay. We're still in the palm. We're gonna flick it out like pay. My debt to pay. We're just gonna do pay. And then we're gonna do from the cross to, and then we're gonna do the grave. So you know it's like a little mount, it's like a little mole of hill. That's grave. From the grave, notice I didn't flick my hand up. I just, like I'm making a little mound. So that from the grave to, and then we're gonna do sky. So we're just gonna sky, and then we're gonna do Lord, I lift your name on high. So let's do that again. You came from heaven to earth to show the way. From the earth to the cross. And we're going to do the cross. I'll show you how we'll do it. To the cross. My debt you pay. From the cross to the grave. From the grave to the sky. Lord, we're just gonna do Lord, I lift your name on high. All right, so that's 2 things for you to practice. I think there might be one more section. If that's so, I will come back with another video. If not, practice, 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 and I'll see you at our next practice. All right, so it's bye-bye from Auntie Karen on Let's Sign It with Karen. Bye.